guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can install Iron Man 2 on your Android device. Guys, this game is not available on Android, but you can play. This is also PSP game, so we can't uh, we can't install this game on our Android very easily. But here's the way from where you can. So let's start it. First, you gonna go to your Play Store, and here you have to search for PPSSPP emulator. You can have the simple one or you can have the gold one. Gold one is expensive and it is also, but you can also have a simple one. I have simple one. Here it is. I have simple one. So let's start it. Follow all the steps carefully. First, you're gonna go to any browser, the browser which you recommend the most. Like I will go to Chrome, and in Chrome I'm gonna be search for MU Paradise. I'll put link in description. I'll put link in the description. No, sorry guys, sorry. I'm really sorry guys. You gotta click on room, but I'll put a link. And here you're gonna click on Sony PlayStation Portable. Search for Sony PlayStation Portable. Here it is, Sony PlayStation Portable. Now you're gonna search for the game. Like Iron Man starts from I, so I'll search for I. Now you'll find all the games related to the letter I, which are available on MU Paradise. Like here's the Iron Man 2 USA, but remember guys, you have to click only on USA. It also asks you from France, Europe, go to USA. Here's the game. You're gonna click on download Iron Man 2. Now it will ask you again for confirmation. Click it again. I'll not install it, but you have to install it. I've installed it earlier. Now you have to also download one app which is known as Z Archiver, or Archiver. You can call it anything you want. Z Archiver. Now open it up. Now you're gonna go where you have downloaded that file, zip file downloads, and here you'll find it. Where is it? Here's it. Iron Man 2 the video game USA. Click on it. Now you have to extract it. You have to click on extract here. Alright guys. When you'll click on extract, here, then you'll find a file like this, Iron Man 2. Now you will find also this RAR file, which is second last. Now you also have to extract this up, like extract here, then you will get this one. Now the last step is, guys, go to PPSSPP and go where you have downloaded it. Go in downloads and Iron Man. Okay, sorry guys. Iron Man 2. Here's the game. You'll find this game here. So this is the gameplay of this game. This is an awesome Iron Man game. continue. uh, Continue this up. Okay guys, continue this game. Okay guys, here's the game. Wow, awesome game.
The control panel for this gate will have to be activated manually. There's a developing hostage situation in Warehouse 2B. Several staff personnel are in critical danger from the hostiles. Set up a meeting, Jarvis. I'm on my way. Multi-million-dollar high-tech facility, and I'm reduced to turning the doorknob.
Fucking great game. So guys, I don't want to make this video go very long. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and thanks for watching guys.